What up, YouTube peeps? This is I, Chinese Guy 858 again, back with another video. I just got this, what you see here in the video is, most likely a catalog I just got not too long ago, probably about maybe 2 weeks ago. And guess where it's from? Let you guys take a look at that. That's right, all the way out in Columbia, Missouri, Spirit of 76 Fireworks.com. That's their logo. It's their address and the website. Alright, let's take a look at this thing and see what we got. Alright, we got a catalog and some paperwork. Actually, well, let's take a look. This is their, I guess you could say their memo about, your interest about fireworks. Go ahead and, I don't know if you guys are interested, but I'll just, go paragraph by paragraph. You guys can pause it, check it out, see what it says. If it's unreadable, just contact them directly. There goes my cat, meowing. Oh, okay. This seems like a price list by the case. So this, what you see here, is a price list of cases. ID number, the name, brand, how many by the piece, gold price, and order. I guess this is what you can say is like an order form or something like that. You got all kinds of brands: Canon, Brothers, Firehawk, Winda, Shogun, Sky Bacon, Mighty Max, generic brands, 76 Pro line. Let's see what else I got. What is this? Oh, this was all assortments. Bottle rockets, confetti, comets. You got fuse, fountains, more fountains. That's a lot of fountains. Sorry if I'm going a little quick on this. Firecrackers, firing systems, 500 grammars. Another whole page. I know you guys can't read that. Another whole page of 500 grammars. Let's see, next page, more 500 grammars. What else we got? What is this? Missiles, mines, mortar shells. Oh, it's a rack. Let's see, another rack. Multi-shots. I know, I've never heard this brand called Mighty Max, and Red Pearl, and Firehawk. Not familiar with those brands, and Sky Bacon. Let's see what else we got. Oh, novelties. More novelties. Wow, they got a lot of novelties. Parachutes, punks, and promotional items. I think on this gold price list, you have to order by the case, and I think for this, well, according to what it's on this piece of paper, but I guess their terms and policies can change at any given time unless it's really set or non-set. I don't know what their policy is. Roman candles, artillery shells. I guess if you're on the gold price list, it's like a special, some kind of special or something like that. I guess like if you're I guess you could say a big spender in a way, you get specialty discounts. And according to, yeah, here's some information for you guys. For stock availability, please visit the website or give them a call. Fax. Yeah, prices are subject to change. And $2,000 minimum order, volume discounts available. I guess about 2,000 is almost as worth as getting a container almost. What else we got? Special effects. Some smoke. Sky lanterns. The annoying Saturn missiles. Snappers. Sparklers. Stick rockets. Tubes. What's on this side? More tubes. And I guess closeouts on stuff they're not gonna carry. Pretty much. See, like for example, right here, here's a closeout item. A fountain, 500-gram fountain, Spirit ID number, Brothers Bunker, the brand name is Brothers, package, six in a case, per piece is $12.50. Gold price was $91.60. Closeout for $75, and put your tally marks or numbers of how many you want to order. A bunch of all kinds of stuff. What else we got? Anything on the back? Oh yeah, we got more. Prices are pretty decent and cheap. Well, this is out in Missouri, and you compare to other places. You know, I'm not going to say no names or anything, but you compare other stores. You know, like you say, do your homework. But if you live in this area and you're able to get, and if you live in a state where you could have these type of items be shipped to you, then it's great. But you know, for some people, we got stricter regulations. Anyways, let's go on to the catalog. Yep, got it upside down. Wow. I know it's late in the year, but here's a Spirit 76 fireworks catalog. You can see their brand names are different. I've never seen this Sky Bacon. I guess maybe that's their own brand name or something. I've recognized Brothers, Canon, the 76 Pro line. That looks like Firehawk, Winda, and Shogun. Oh yeah, look at that, the Amazing Ballet. Catalog is very nice. Oh look, there's the Brothers container load. People that like. Very interesting catalog. And you know what I like about this catalog? It's like a magazine. It's easy. It's, you know, you can roll it up, put it away. It's not like the other type of catalogs from the fireworks company that are like really big and bulky on one brand. Let's go through it. Take a look. Let me stand up. Might help a bit. This glare's driving me nuts. Oh, here's our locations. A few people are interested. Information for you guys. Oh, they're all out on the East Coast. Ooh, they got ladies in here. Yeah, I've never seen a catalog with females advertising. Well, that's a way to get your attention. Franklin assortment. 6 cases. Oh, packaging. See the packaging on this thing. Franklin assortment. 1 to 44. Jefferson assortment. Geez, 380 pounds of pyro power. And it'd be funny if you ask, hey, do the ladies come with the fireworks? Let's see what else we got here. Washington assortment. Jeez, comes with this too. Here's a container load. The Brothers container load. Let's see what this thing says. I think the packaging is per case and how many items are in there. That can't be right. 1 to 30. 1 to 30. Alright. This glitter's like really pissing me off. There's gotta be some way to fix this thing. If I only had something to hold these up, maybe this might work. No, it's not gonna do either. So I'll have to figure out a way. He has some interesting assortments. Yeah, more assortments. I gotta do something about this glitter. This glitter's like really pissing me off. Hold on, people. Sorry for the delay around here. Get something here. That's more like it. Alright, now let's look at the catalog. Feel free to pause this video at any time if there's something that you're interested in, or message me. And or if you want, contact the fireworks place directly. Dang, they got a lot of window stuff. Zoom in on some of this stuff. That's great. For example, this assortment called Box of Fury. You see the picture of what it includes, but some of the stuff within the packaging, you can't see it. Right there, they tell you what's in it. Isn't that great? Come on, focus. Here we go. Here's the 500 cakes. Always got the beautiful ladies I see advertising. Now, Blonde Joke, everybody knows about this. It's interesting how their catalog is. Okay, they don't go by the Brothers item number, they have their own. For example, Blonde Joke, packaging, 4 pieces in a single case. And they tell you the weight of the case, which is great because I guess if you do order a lot, at least you know how much your shipping is going to estimate, unless there's a flat rate. Don't know. You know, it's great to have your weight cases on here. Ah, open fire. I'm not going to try to spend too much time on this catalog, but you know, pause it if you have to. Let's see if they see that heart above some of these cakes. It says a staff favorite. So I guess it's probably a good cake. And they got some, oh yeah, hot item. Yeah, the Amazing Ballet is a good zipper mine cake. Oh, here's our 2013 new items from Winda. Seems like Winda's getting around really well. Ah, yes, these are really, really good. Echo in the Ear. Nice catalog. Oh yeah, Own the Night was a good one. Angry Pandas is a classic. Zombie Driver's good. Amazing Ballet. Heavyweights. Ring, Strongman. Oh yeah, Big and Bad was really good. Addicted to Loud. Window Fireworks. Let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, this one's really good too. Pyro Heaven. Breaking the Law. Curfew Breaker was an excellent cake. Darn it. Hold on. Get this little box up again so I can get my catalog showing. Let me see if I can get something to hold this up. Here. Better. Oh yeah, Bamboozle by Big was a good cake, I heard. I don't know how good this Midnight was. I gotta check the video on this thing. It's a new product and it's a staff favorite by Brothers, it looks like. Yeah, Midnight by Brothers. What kind of cake is this? Okay. Let's see what else we got. So what's this? The War Box Assortment comes with all this. 15 shot times 6. Wow, this all comes with it? Let's see, let's go on the next page. What else we got? More 500 grammars. You know, putting these ladies on here just makes guys feel like they want to go spend more, whatever it does to advertise, right? Down to the 200 grams. And you got firework demos. Well, that already passed. It was all the way back in May. It's like August. 8 cakes, 2 of each. The All-Star Action assortment. I heard this one was pretty good too, but it's hard to find these Brother's Choice. These 4 right here. I've only found like maybe 1 or 2 out of all these. If I'm going too fast for all of you, I'm sorry. You know, this is just going through a quick catalog as fast as I can go. But, you know, I don't want to go too fast, and you guys will probably say, well, I can't see anything, or I can't read anything. You know, go ahead and pause the video if you have to. Interesting. What we got here? Oh, Miracle Bee was good by Winda. You know, this assortment that I see right here that's called Feats of Strength. This one seems like instead of using the Winda name for their assortment, they just call it, I guess they changed the name, called Feats of Strength. And let me see what's in the... there's usually, because the one I had 1 fountain in there. And I don't see it listed. Let me see. Darn it, this glare's killing me. Yeah, because this seems like the assortment that I have. Pretty much the same exact thing. I forgot what the name of the Winda assortment I had. It was the largest assortment that Winda carried, and I forgot what the name of it was. But you know, this is the Winda assortment, but they just changed the name of it, called Feats of Strength. Can't remember off the top of my head, but I did a video on the Winda exclusive assortment on this, so they just changed the name on it. Interesting. Let's see what we got. More multi-shots. Cannon cake assortment. Three Kings assortment. 350 grams each. They do a lot of cake assortments with what they want, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, see, all they do is give them a name and they just make their own assortments with whatever brand they got. Or they just change the name. Here we go, some more multi-shots. The catalog is very nice. Sorry if it seems a little long, but I just want to make sure I got most of the stuff covered for all of you people that are watching and viewing. I'm sure most of you have seen this one, the Smoke and Mirrors by Brothers. What the heck? How many shots is this thing? 1.5. What is? How many shots is that? Oh, these are 5 breaks. I wonder how good this is. Fear no evil shall 5 break shells. Sorry I'm not talking much, but I just want you people to see what we're going on through. We're about halfway through this catalog. I know it's a long video, but damn, I've never seen something like this before. Ultimatum 2? What the hell is this thing? 36 pounds? It's a lot of shells, I tell you. Oh, now we're on to the safe and sane stuff. Fountains. Oh yes. Oh, if you guys are going to get a firing system, I highly recommend buying a Cobra system. This is a newer remote, and they have the older one. It's the 18R, the manual remote. This one I like. This is very good. This thing like lights up at night when you're doing a show. Oh man, this thing is so reliable. These firing, the 18R manual remote. If you want to go, if you're more advanced, you probably want the 18R2, and you can program a show. And you see the little black thing on the right hand side? That's for a USB port. You can have like 99 channels on here, and you could, do a lot with this stuff. Yeah, I got 2 of these. These are really good. They don't have it shown in a case. This is just like in a rubber housing. But yeah, you could get a case if you want. Yeah, the Cobra firing systems. If you guys are interested in good firing systems, I highly recommend it. Getting a Cobra firing systems. Here's their information. There's a website, cobrafiringssystems.com. They have a YouTube account, channel. Check it out. What do we got now? More stuff new for 2013. And we got more fountains. I've seen this one. This is Hawaiian Rainbow. It's pretty good. There's 2 in a box. 48 of those total. In a case. A little whistleblower known as Piccolo Pete. How many's in here? 48 to 6. More fountains. I know most of you aren't fond of fountains, but for some of us that only have safe and sane, this one's good. I've had this before, this Pure Fantasy. I'd say this is a very good fountain. If you ever come around to this fountain, get one, or get 2. Pure Fantasy by Brothers. It's a good fountain. In a case, it's 36. Let's see. Dark Science. There was one by Winda that was very similar to this. Purplelicious was good, but I couldn't find the purple in here. It was very hard to see. Let's see. I heard this one was pretty good, but I wasn't sure. Pizzazz by Brothers. Let's see what else we got. This is like a California Roman candle. This handheld fountain. It's like a handheld Roman candle practically, because in reality Roman candles you don't really hold on to it. What it is I think what they call a California Roman candle. What it is, it's just a fountain inside of a tube. See what else we got. Flying ants. Interesting. Oh yeah, look, you can buy tubes also, motors and racks. Tell you everything on here that HDPE tubes right here. Pro line, 5-shot, 10-shot racks, 30s, fan shapes, 24 tubes, 50-shot rack fan, 50 regulars, 5-shot wagon wheel. Now that's interesting. Angled. There you go. Here's a picture of an angled. This firing system, I have beginner firing systems. Well, those of you that are beginners can learn how to use a firing system, but I stick with the Cobra. Whether you're a beginner or not, but if you're on a tight budget, I guess you're gonna have to go with this, because this is everything. Oh yeah, there's a case, the armored case when you carry it out. Got different colors to choose from. Your igniters, your Italian igniters. I usually go for the long ones, especially when you're doing a show. Let's see. The cat's tripping. Oh, here we go. Here's the tubes. Your tubes. People that are interested in. Oh yeah, and they sell advertising stuff. Inflatables. Banners. Table banners if you're, you have a stand or anything. Let's see what else we got. More tubes. Pyro Candy, that's a good one. Texas Hold'em. Never Surrender. Oh, there goes my mouse. Doomed. Addicted to Loud, I heard was good. Excuse me. Perfect Round. LOL. Yeah, these are window stuff. Brothers. Ring Ring. I heard this one was good. Tang Dynasty. Oh, this is for you people that are doing resale. Pyro Candy. Here's a lot of people love this one by Winda. It's a good one. 2 in a case. Wacky Tobacco. This one's also good. I don't know how this one is. Rocktacular by Brothers. Saturn missiles, annoying stuff, I say. Holy cow. What the hell? How many shots is that? 800 shot Saturn missile? Damn. 2 in a case? Yeah, here's your Roman candles. I know this video is going to be really long, but people please have patience as I am doing this for everyone. I hope all you people appreciate this long video. I know it takes time to load up and everything, but thank you for watching and making it through. We're almost to the end. Here's your California Roman candle, I think. No, it's a regular Roman candle, never mind. It's pretty big though. Fire in motion. More Roman candles. You know, your rockets, your snappers, your punks. Nobody really uses punk nowadays. Everybody uses a freaking torch or a flare now. Fuse. Party poppers. What else we got? Oh, smoke. More novel. Yeah, there's all smoke. Oh, your firecrackers people always want. Oh, there's water dynamite by Sky Bacon. Interesting. Sparklers, everybody.